Hi everyone, this is Zahin from IMN SPINOFFS Net. In this session, we will learn how we can free download and install Visual Studio 2019. So, if we are going to the create .NET Core application, so we need to be the install in our PC Visual Studio 2019. So, without time waste, let's get started. So open your Google Chrome and type free download Visual Studio 2019 and scroll down here. This is the link Visual Studio 2019 My Visual Studio. From this link we can download Visual Studio 2019. Click on this link, then this screen will be appear, and from this screen you can download any type of any version of the Visual Studio. See, you can see from this screen. Okay, so I gonna to install Visual Studio Professional 2019, and according to your PC requirement, you need to be the download. If your PC is the 64-bit, then this one you need to be the download this one. If your PC is 86-bit, then you need to be the download this one, and click on the download button. Download completed, go to folder and double click on this exe file and follow the step. Then we can easily install the Visual Studio 2019. Okay, double click and click on yes, click on continue. See, so wait some time, and from this screen we need to be the check what we want to the install in our PC. So first one, ASP.NET Azure Development, check the checkbox. Okay, no other thing we need, so only two things I selected, this one and this one, Azure and .NET, ASP.NET. Okay, then click on the install. The total space required approximate 11 GB. Okay, click on install. Yes, you can see the installation is complete. Now Visual Studio is opening. From this screen we need to launch the application, launch the VS. Click on the launch. This may take a minute. Okay, yes, done. You can see from this screen we can create the new project, or we can be open without create the project. Click on the continue without code. Yes, this is the Visual Studio 2019. So guys, we have installed successfully VS 2019. Now is ready. Go to the file, then new and project, and type here in the search box .NET Core. You can see from this we can create the web application, ASP.NET Core web application. So by this we can create C#, Linux, Mac, Windows, cloud services, web, everything we can create, or also we can pick up this one. This is the .NET Core web application with module view controller. So click on the next. This is the application name. We can write ASP.NET Core 1. Okay, and click on the next. Always you remove this checkbox because no need to the HTTPS and create. So guys, see, the project is successfully created. So guys, thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will work on the project and other thing. Thank you guys.